Hey YouTube, well, my last video of my cat did not go so well, so here is my cat that you can actually see now. We'll be there in a second. We're gonna have to get him to stand up for this, you know. It's on recording. Hiya, kitty. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, good kitty. Kitty, oh. Kitty, give it a meow. Don't eat the worm. Kitty, give us a meow. Picard, meow. Give us a meow. You're so cute. Here, film his whole body. Wow. She slipped. Ah, stretch. Come on, Picard, jump down. Picard. Picard, will you give us a meow? Meow. Okay, maybe not. Off. You just whacked your head. Get up, buddy. Get up. That's one dope. Oh, he's dubbing it. Oh, crap. The cat gets the oh, that's so cute. Look at his face. Picardio. Picard kitty kitty. Oh, he's a Picard kitty kitty. Close up on his eye. Okay. This video's been going for about 1 minute and 40 seconds. We should get Serenity. Freaky Serenity. Come on. Speaking of which, people, Serenity's my dog. He's way over there. Come on. And now I'm following my friend. Hi, Serenity. Serenity, say hi for the YouTube. Serenity. She's a smart dog. Watch. She can get her way out. Watch. Come on, Serenity. Serenity, come on. Serenity. Maybe she's not so smart. She knows how to open the gate. Yeah. Did you get it? Hey, Ryan. Yeah. So we gotta put a lock on it, otherwise she gets out. Hey. And then tries to eat people. Hey. Uh-oh, it's a face-off. It's a face-off. Where? It's a face-off. The kitty. Ooh, it's a kitty. The kitty meowed. She doesn't even look like she's barking. And that is what we have been waiting for. It's a kitty. It's a kitty. I'm kitty meow. Serenity. Oh, kitty loving on me. Kitty loves you. Kitty yelping on me. Hi, Serenity. Come here, bird. Oh. Oh, she's going to eat Tank or Dozer, whoever that is. Say we should film Dozer. Film Dozer. Hey, Tank. Oh, that's Tank? Yeah. Okay. Tank's the black and white dog. Kitty likes you. I know. Oh, woohoo. This marks an embarrassing part in the video. Would you stop that? Alright, you can exit out of it now. And this time we'll film Tank and Dozer. Shoot. Stop recording. Right. Peace out, peeps.